Me either.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? They're acting like they have no manners. I think it's time for some serious changes around here.
Agreed.
Wanna try another chocolate one?
I do, but I just don't see how.
All right, time's up. Both of you girls on your feet. School of Etiquette starts right now.
Wait, what?
Somebody want to please explain how it's possible we could find the two of you out here in the park by yourselves, hanging out, acting like a couple of guys.
What? Oh, please, we're just having fun. We call it living the life. Besides, it's just us. No one else is around. Yeah, manners are a waste of time.
The two of you have a lot to learn. It's all good. We could show them the ropes.
Actually, we kind of already have some plans.
No, you don't. Here, take some notes.
Shouldn't have to be told twice. We have to be ladylike. We can go search far and wide, but it's easy to see. We always wanna do the right thing. Hey, act so politely. Have you ever thought it might be? 'Cause girls rule the world. Princesses walk lightly. Hey, there's no denying. Have you ever thought it might be? 'Cause girls rule the world.
Stand up straight, put your shoulders back. Chin up, now try to walk. If you're gonna take a bite, that's fine, but a smaller size. Ew, you don't talk. And if you're gonna ask...
Oh, I know this one. May, please.
That's right, but not too many times. And if a boy holds the door,
Then I tell him thank you.
run away from guys.
Wait, why?
Now you don't want to wear too much. A little powder will do just fine. And what's a good idea?
Oh, I know. I should freshen up.
Why?
Because I've been outside.
That's right.
There's just so much to learn. We're never gonna get it right. We quit.
Oh, come on. Let's try it again. Being a lady just takes some time.
Shouldn't have to be told twice. We have to be ladylike. We can go search far and wide.